Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Jaguar XE 2-liter diesel R Sport, finished in blue with a sporty black leather interior. At the side, it rides on 17-inch alloy wheels and features black exterior accents that complement its athletic profile. Sculpted bodywork and a low stance add to its sporty feel, while electric folding mirrors and keyless entry provide everyday convenience. At the rear, you'll find rear parking sensors, a clean bumper design, and subtle styling that completes the XE's elegant look. Powered by a 2-liter diesel engine, this Jaguar delivers smooth, efficient performance and sharp handling. It's built for the motorway and the back roads alike. Balanced, responsive, and easy to enjoy. Cruise control is included to make longer drives more relaxed. At the front, the XE stands out with a bold black grille, sleek headlights, and sculpted lines that give it a sharp, aggressive look. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a clean, driver-focused cabin finished in black leather. Heated front seats, ambient lighting, and a heated windscreen add comfort, while the interior layout feels premium and purposeful. In terms of tech, you'll enjoy Bluetooth, DAB radio, satellite navigation, and a central infotainment system that keeps everything within reach and easy to use. In the back, the rear seats offer a comfortable space for passengers, with enough legroom for both short trips and longer journeys. In the boot, the XE provides practical storage for daily use, business travel, or weekend luggage. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration WF65FJK to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.